So if you have a Model 3 and you're having issues with the tires, you just basically installed new tires, or you bought a car with some tires that you never bought, so you're not sure about the history on them, and you're constantly having some scary wheel bearing sounds. Speeds above 50, you can start hearing it. 50, 60, you hear it. At 70 and higher, usually the wind noise cuts it out, you can't really hear it. So what happened was we just got a Model 3 that was just done, and we bought brand new tires. We never drove the car before. We just bought these brand new tires. As you can see, Lionhart's. They were from Walmart. They're like $60, $70 a tire. And installed these brand new tires, balanced everything properly, good straight rims and everything. And after I started driving the car, I started noticing a crazy wheel bearing noise. We literally replaced all the bearings on the car, and it was coming down to where we're thinking it's either the front motor that's already bad or the rear motor is bad, and nobody could figure out what's going on with it. And last shot attempt was, I had another Model 3 with the factory, I think Michelin's, the run flat ones, with the foam inside, the noise canceling foam. We put that in. Well, we put those tires on this car that had that issue with the bad wheel bearing noise sound, and all of a sudden that sound is gone. So if you're buying these cheap aftermarket tires, just keep in mind you're gonna have that ridiculous issue, and you can't do anything about it. As you can see, the tire is literally brand new. So this is the brand, Lionhart. All 4 brand new tires. So, and these are the ones from factory right here, and they have a noise canceling insulation or insulator inside the tires, so they're a lot more quieter. But they are, I think it was like $300-$400 a tire or something ridiculous like that.